Here is a motorhome I think has a lot of potential. I think that because it's very narrow. This is the S194 from Challenger. There'll be another version in the from Chausson. I don't know what the number is for that. First person to actually say what it is will get their comment pinned. 70,365 euros. It's only 210 centimeters wide, and it's on a Ford Transit. I think it's a lot of potential because it's nice and compact. That width 210 really makes it quite easy to park. In fact, I think they say it's as comfortable as a motorhome and it's as convenient as a camper van. Anyway, there's the lights on. So got a bed up here. It's quite high up, but fortunately there's a ladder to get into it. I don't like climbing up ladders, particularly if I've had a night out on the town, but anyway, that's the way it is. And if you do have to climb up after a night out on the town, at least you can think of this: you've got a stack of storage below, and in a 6-meter by 2.1 meter vehicle, that goes a long way. Indeed, look at the size of this wardrobe. So well done for that one. We've also got down here the heating. That's great because it's hidden, no one's going to find it, and that will cut your gas bill down. Showers in here, and right, two drainage holes. There's the toilet. This thing here is that's a mirror at the wall. This will move over like this. This will move over like this. There you go. Pull this out a bit, then there's your shower. Isn't that nice? That goes neatly over the toilet, and we naturally got a sensible sliding door, currently closed, but currently locked in position, but it will close should it be necessary. And you also got a bit of storage for things up here. You may think that this washroom looks a bit like a hospital, but okay, yes, you're right, it does. You've got a mirror here so you can see yourself before going out, and there's the table, and which very conveniently has the list of things inside it, which is written in French, and not a problem, I can actually read French, but there you go. You can try and work that one out later if you can speak the language. Here we have, there's plenty of storage in there as well. Now the table, table itself is quite big for a vehicle of this size, but not to worry, you can even make it even bigger. There's a seat which is completely pointless. I think they put in this seat because they couldn't think of anything to put in this place. And there you've got a tiny bit of storage. And here is a, what's that do? I think that there's a switch here. I think it might be for the steps. I'm not going to touch it. Yeah, can't see the point of that at all. They put that in because, well, I've got a bit of space there. Better put something in it. Right, yeah. There's also can't see much point in having this bit of string as a shoelace or something, and what you're supposed to do with that. Maybe you could think of something. But here, conveniently, there's a 12-volt plug and a 230-volt plug. I suppose you could charge your mobile phone up here if the vehicle wasn't in motion, or alternatively you could charge it in there. That would be a better place to do it. Storage under here. Here's a fridge. Here's a broken fridge. Sorry, no, it's not broken. Sorry, it is broken. Sorry, yes. And it wasn't me it broken. And there you can have a look inside the thing with the broken fridge. Somebody used too much force. There you go. 2 burners in here, sufficiently far apart to be able to use them both at the same time. And here's some good advice when you're cooking: essential to provide additional ventilation, such as opening windows near the grill, cooking oven. Do not use cooking appliances for space heating. Yeah, I think that's probably a good idea, particularly as there is a Truma heater in this van. And there's an extension to the there. Yeah, I like this because it's compact. It's got everything in one place. It's going to be easier to drive. These are all positive things as far as I'm concerned. Yeah, I'll turn the lights out as well. When I turn the lights off, here, all you gotta do, press this green thing here, and nothing happens. Ideal, eh? That's great. Let's give it another go. And the lights are still on. Well, this is the 12 volt, and for some reason it's not working. Oh, there you go. Not using enough power behind it. That light there is actually external, as is that one. So they do this to there's a bit of light inside the vehicle. I'm even going to close this. There's only one lock on the door, but I suppose you can't have everything. There's no window in it. But there is a thing for dispensing disinfectant fluid, so you might want to keep that one on there. Here we've got a bit of storage under that rather daft chair. What's the bit of storage did I say? It's used for storing gas, propane, 30 million. There's only one container, but of course it is quite small. I've only got one in my van, and that lasts me ages, although in the winter it probably wouldn't. Here, the garage, look, for such a small vehicle, is really big. You could easily get a bicycle in there, I think, or maybe you couldn't. You could either easily, maybe you can get it in with difficulty. How about that? It's got two locks on the thing and two locks on the outside as well. Let's have a walk around here. Look, there's your slogan. It's compact as a camper van and as comfortable as a motorhome. This side door is a bit smaller. There's the exhaust for the Truma heater, and we've got the cassette toilet, bit of storage. You can see it's hooked up to the mains, and here's the window, which I didn't close, mind you. So you can see how the window comes out, and if you want to see what's inside from here, there's your mosquito net. In fact, we'll put the mosquito net down. Well, you can't really do it from outside. Okay, good. Let's have a walk around to the other side. And so I've given you my opinion of this. I think this is a pretty good idea. I like the dimensions of it. So they got Sport Edition from Challenger. And there's a pile of stuff about what you get inside it. When one of the upgrades is a engine upgrade to 170, mind you, well, that's on the Ford anyway, it's not on a Fiat, so that shouldn't be all that difficult. I'll just say a few words about the Ford, which I have been driving a Ford. Well, I've done it. Sorry, not I've been I drove here on a Fiat Ducato, which is my vehicle, but I have driven a Ford recently. And the Ford Transit is incredibly light. This is, I have to say, of a van, it is the lightest van I have driven. In fact, it's like driving a small car. Mind you, it's been ages since I drove a small car, so probably small cars now are even lighter. So, a few words there which are positive. Great little van. As far as the dimensions are concerned, of course I can't say how good it is in real life, as I've never actually taken one out. So thanks for watching. I upload every day at 21:15, and this is the largest YouTube site on van life. More videos here than anywhere else as far as RVs are concerned, or at least camper vans and motorhomes are concerned. There's only about 4 films on caravans or something like that. Anyway, all the best from me. Thanks for watching.